Charlie Cushane here to do another truck camper mod. You find myself right now in the bathroom and something's been bugging me lately, and I'll show you what it is. It's the light above this sink. Let's take a look. Okay, here's the beautiful dry bath in my Chalet truck camper. We really love it. It works great. However, above the sink and above this cabinet is this light, and as you see, it's starting to flicker. One of the LEDs I put in there, and if you see, those are really just LED replacement bulbs. As you can see if you look closely, some of the light goes up and doesn't go anywhere, so it's pretty inefficient. And those bulbs are pretty expensive. They're like $10 a piece, so it's time to replace the two of them. And it was 20 bucks. I said, wow. And I looked around and I found for $28, just $8 more, I could get a much better designed light, which is a lot more efficient. So let's take a look at that one. Okay, here's the light I just bought. And as you can see, instead of having like a frosted lens like this one, see it, which was designed for an incandescent bulb, this has a totally clear lens, and the light inside has been designed for LEDs. So let's take a look inside and see what they are. Okay, if you're careful and you squeeze and then lift up, this cover comes off, and that is the LED. And as you can see, it's a nice metal circuit board and a bunch of LEDs on it, all facing directly out. So there's no wasted light. It all comes out of the fixture. It's just a beautiful design. So let's hook it up and see what the light output looks like. Okay, the first thing we have to do is let's take this fixture out of here and get to the wires. And there's the two wires. It's 12 volts, so I'm not too worried about it. Plus the switch is off. Okay, let's go get the other light and wire it up. Alright, before I actually mount this, I think it's a good idea if we do this, that we wire this and turn it on and just get a feel for what these LEDs look like when they're lit. Just a couple of two wires, two wire nuts. Okay, now let's see with and without the lens. Turn the light on. Oh, sweet.
That's beautiful.
Okay, so you could have one on or both on. That is nice. So now that it's wired, we can mount it. As you can see, just by the design of the lenses, this one was designed for an incandescent bulb, 12 volt bulb, and it's really frosted. This one I like a lot better. It's clear, has a lot of diffusers on it. It's just a much nicer looking lens. Alright, I'm tucking the wires in this little cavity in the middle. Then I just got to make sure I cover all these holes from the previous light. One. Two. Three. Four. And I like to do the final tighten, as you've seen in other projects, by hand. So I know exactly how tight it is. Alright, now let's do a test. Perfect. Now let's put these lenses on. Good. Okay, let's do a test. Oh, look
look
at that's
at that
much
light.
brighter in here, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
One, if you want, or two. Wow, that is way more than double the light. Very, very happy with that project. Came out great.